Hey everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm gonna be showing you guys basically price action strategy, right? That I use in taking my trades. Okay. But basically all revolves around ICT concepts. Okay. So currently today I'm on US Tech 100. Okay. So I have an open trade on US Tech 100. So I'll be showing you guys once I go to my trading view how I took this trade. Okay, how I took this trade, what I look out for, how I waited to enter this opportunity. And as you can see, we are 80 pips floating, right? And this I'm not stacking over here, so that will make me not to close or anything because I have a target. I will just decide to hold. Remember, anything can happen, so the best way is to actually put your stop loss into profit, which I'll be doing right now, so that I'll secure some fun, right? I don't really have to leave money in the table. Okay, so I'll be putting my stop loss around let's just make it slightly here. You have to just protect your capital. Let's say 11,820. Okay, so I'll be putting my stop loss at 11,820. So just leave it there so that to secure some profit, right? Risk management matters a lot in this game. So even if price should actually come back to take me out, fine. I think I don't lose anything, like I won't lose much, right? So I'll be actually showing you guys how I actually get comfortable or taking this trade. As you can see, I've not actually placed any trades today. This is actually my fish, and remember, this is a stop hunt, right? People will be like, this is an inverse, so that they will like to enter here and stop loss around here at the next. So this spike now is actually going to take everybody looking at that framework, like people looking at pattern. You understand, this move is going to take them out. Yeah, this move took them out, right? Basically here should be my entry, although I was not really that active. But once you understand, okay, your daily bias, you're actually bullish, you expect price to come down to a discount so that you're actually gonna enter your buy. But I was not really that active, so this is where I got the move, so I have to enter. And this entry was around uh like the 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, once price tried to consolidate, I actually placed my buy limit. You can see my buy limit here from the 1 minute time frame. So from the 1 minute time frame, that was where I actually wait, because now it's actually what broke structure. Even on the 1 minute time frame, this is a break of structure right here. Price broke structure, retest, so it should be a valid entry to keep going, right? So because of what I'm bullish, and what is my profit taking target? Okay, let me move to my trading view so that I'll show you my profit taking target, right? So let me go to trading view right now. Stay with me, and please, if you're watching this video in our channel for the first time, please like, subscribe and share. Okay, share to your friends, right? Then if you actually have any questions to ask or anything, you do well to actually contact me on WhatsApp, Instagram, right? Facebook, anywhere actually active, all social media, right? So do well to join our Telegram channel, because I drop these updates there, the signals and everything, right? I do drop them. So I'll be rotating my screen right now for a better view. So just do well, stay tuned, right? Yeah, this is now 100 from the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame. So looking at the price action, we are on a downtrend, and when we're on a downtrend, it's ideal for you to look for what sells. Once price pull back higher, definitely sell towards go lower until you see a clear break of structure, retrace, like it couldn't break the lower. You understand, you see that price is actually trying to reverse. That is when you change your bias. But this overall, okay, from the daily, this doesn't affect the intraday trading, right? But overall, you should have that in mind, that yes, this is bearish. Okay, overall, both from the weekly and the monthly. Then you draw down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so you moving down to the 4 hours time frame. You understand, when you're in the 4 hours time frame, look at the current price action from the 4 hours time frame. Remember, some liquidity pool or some pools has been actually taken out, so you don't really expect it price to actually come down. This is an equal low here, so expecting price to come down again to this equal low, why it has already done this, I don't really think is ideal from the 4-hour time frame, right? So your buyer should be bullish, targeting to take out the highs, because the lows are actually taken out already. So the next is the highs. This from the 4-hour time frame, drawing down to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, from the 1 hour time frame, you see some spikes, both the one from NFP and the rest. And also this is my target. Okay, this is a weekly gap, right? This is a weekly gap. If you look here, you see that there is a gap and price didn't actually fill this gap, then it started going down. So your take profit of profit taking should be at this gap, but the first one should be at this equal highs, right? Previous day highs, you understand? This previous day highs should be your TP1, you understand? Then the next target should be this gap, because the gap must be filled, but it's not guaranteed it will fill immediately. But provided that it's not filled, the gap must definitely be filled. So drawing down to the 15 minutes time frame, remember this is New York open, right? New York session by 1:30 in GMT time, right? That is 8:30 EST time, I guess. So over here, 15 minutes time frame, okay, you see that basically during the market has been market has been ranging, right? So this thing you're seeing here might be a manipulation, right? So once price gets here, it can actually distribute lower to do what? To take out these lows, right? These lows, I don't really know, I'm not using my PC. Can expect price to come take out these lows lower here, you understand? That is from the 15 minutes time frame. This has been an accumulation. This is actually looking like a manipulation. Then you expect the distribution. This is just a simple pattern, but it doesn't really mean that it's gonna play out, you know, always. But assuming it's meant to play out, this bullish move, I would have loved it to happen during the London section. Then I'll expect this distribution at the New York session. But you know, time really matters in price action, right? You should understand the relationship between the time, you understand, the time and price. Okay, time and price. And this is a strong this region, this level here is a strong level, right? This is 11.9 something, 11.900. Okay, so let's call it a psychological level anyway, so it's actually strong, right? So you have to see, if once price hits there, now you're going to see a heavy what will I say, a heavy drawback also. Also, you have to check whether there is high impact news today that is actually affecting the market, because fundamentals actually moves the market. Okay, so but believe me, what gave me confidence that price is not going to go lower, it's clear on the price action, right? It's definitely clear. So, and there is a break of structure. Moving down to the, let's move down to the 5 minute time frame, whether I want to say something clear over there. So going down to the 5 minute time frame, you can see this is a clear break of structure here. Let me add that. So from here you can see I'll use this actually, or because this looks like another block, but there's no fair value gap anyway. So from here now, if you go lower, it's gonna be definitely clear, but let me just draw it from here. Okay, so there's a break of structure. When you see a break of structure, it means that price is willing to what? Higher prices are like you should have in mind that yes, it now has the ability to what? Form higher prices, right? It now has the ability to form higher prices. So basically this was actually building liquidity. All this you're seeing here is building liquidity. Then price starts to take back take the liquidity that's actually been built here, then rejects down to take out all the liquidity lower, because many people that will be buying will be adding their stop loss over here. So once price wiped out the stop losses, then price started rallying to the upside. That is actually clear, like what is happening on the lower time frame, because lower time frame explains more details a lot. So you have to still look to that, like you have to really understand the lower like understand what is going on in the lower time frame. The matters also, higher time frame also matters to know the overall direction, the overall bias, you understand? So you just have to, you know, pay attention to that. So basically that is it. And you can see from the daily point of view, I believe this was there was a break of structure right here. Also price retraced lower to pull back. So I'm looking to see this gap what filled, then you can see a rally back down, but keep going high based on fundamentals, because fundamentals definitely affect the market, depending on if you're many people make the mistake of when they actually enter trading, they use higher time frame to do intraday trading. No, it doesn't really work like that. Some days might be heavily bearish, but you see it in like the market structure on the daily, monthly might be bearish, but some days you see them rallying up. You understand? You just have to know the framework you're looking for. Once you understand the framework you're looking for, understand the price action and market structure, then you're good to go. So if you actually want to learn more, do well to contact me, right? Then don't forget to join our Telegram where we drop signals and the rest of them. If I'm going back previously, you see that this is a gap here also, right? There was a gap here also. Price went down, reached this thing, rejected lower, but finally filled it. You can see this is a complete feeding. Ranged from here, broke, form another gap, broke down, expecting price to fill it. So and overall price haven't really broken lower, so it's a shift. Can be seen an immediate uptrend, right? Looking from here, for people that draw trend line, is not really necessary because you're actually seeing it with your eyes. So provided that price haven't broken lower, you can be looking for buys intraday. Okay, intraday, and you have to have a target. If it's a clear liquidity pool upside, maybe you can target here. The target could be here, higher, let me say here, so you can see. So that is just the fact. To break this structure higher, then you will see a retest. You can still enter for the more buys. Okay, so at this point, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, do well to join our Telegram. Contact me if you really want to learn or understand what I'm talking about more. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.